namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're having a good day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is the messages from the universe. This is your, if you are watching this reading, then this is your sign from the universe. Okay, this is the message that the universe wants you to know right now. So remember, these are general reading. So take what resonates and leave the rest behind, and these are timeless readings, so whenever you watch, this reading is for you. Okay, so I have 3 piles over here. So for this is for group number 1, the red color feather. Then we have black color feather for group number 2, and we have orange color feather for group number 3. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, don't think anything, and just connect with your intuition and select a feather or a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so take your time. If you want more time, please pause the video, take a few seconds, and then just take few deep breaths, and then select a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for this is group number 1, 2, 3. The timestamps will be listed in the description box. So I'm going to start with group number 1. So group number 1, if you chose this Y card, let's see what is your messages. If you have chosen this red feather, let's see what are the messages from the universe. I'm seeing this angel wings. So your angels are around you, they are protecting you, they are giving you guidance. Your guardian angels are around you, they are with you, and they are trying to answer all your questions. Yeah, maybe you are questioning a lot of things right now in your life. Maybe you're questioning, what is my passion, what is my life purpose, why I am single, when will I get into a relationship. You're asking a lot of questions, or maybe you're asking deeper question, why I am here for, what is my purpose. Whatever you're asking, you're going to get the answers, okay, through signs. Maybe you will see a lot of feathers. When you go out, you might see a feather. Maybe for some of you, when you scroll, you might see a book information, maybe about a book. You will you will see a video about a book. Maybe that is your message, that is sign to read that book. Okay, so maybe for some of you, your message, your answer is in a book. Maybe you need to read that book. Maybe you have a book in your home that you are procrastinating, you are not reading it. Maybe you feel like reading, but you intuitively feel, oh, I need to read this book, but you're not reading it. So maybe this is your sign to go get that book and read it. Maybe for some of you, you have been planning, oh, I need to read, I need to take this online course, I need to do this thing, I need to do this thing. You have been thinking, but you have been procrastinating, or you're feeling like, oh my god, now it's not the time, I don't have the time. So if that is the case, this is a message telling you to go for it, right? To take that online course. Maybe you are a business person, so you want to improve your business, so you have this online course, how to improve that, but you feel like, no, it's not the time to take that course. Maybe it's the time to take that course, right? So if you have been feeling intuitively about it, go for it, do that. Okay, and for some of you, you have to dig deeper. You will be digging deeper, you will be getting clarity by yourself. That is something I feel like. While meditating, you will get a lot of answers. For some of you, you are going to understand your life purpose, what you're good at. For some of you, if you're planning to study, maybe you need to dig deeper, maybe you need to research about it, what you need to study, what area you're interested in. Or maybe, that's something I feel like you need to dig deeper. Or if you're getting into a relationship with someone, you need to do a background check. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe for some of you, you need to do a background check. Or if you're planning to join a company or something like that, you need to do a background check about it. Or maybe if you're traveling, you need to do some research, and then only take the next step. Okay, that is what I feel like. But answers are coming. I feel like all the answers are near you, but you're neglecting that, or you're ignoring that. So don't do that. So if you feel like you need to read this book, go ahead and read that book. If you feel like you need to watch this YouTube video or watch any YouTube video, maybe that YouTube video might have some information that you need right now. So whatever you're questioning, the answers are coming. and for others it's like if you need to read, you need to learn more. For some of you, if you're preparing for an exam or something like that, study, do the hard work, research, you will get there. Okay, you will yeah, that's what I feel. Okay, so let's see what is the message for group number 1. What is the message for group number 1 from the universe? You're very ambitious people. For some of you, are very ambitious, but sometimes you get in your own way. Don't do that because you overthink. Let's see. I'm just gonna shuffle once more. I don't know why I feel like that. Wait a second. For group number 1, what is the message for? Wait a second. For some of you are very confused. I feel like that. That's why you need to dig deeper. You need to ask questions. Maybe you need to ask questions from your teachers. If you're learning something, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Okay. So let's see. Ask questions from your angels. You might receive it through signs and symbols. Okay. So there's a lot of cards. Okay, wait a second, guys. I need to shuffle again. I'm sorry. That's a lot. So what are the messages from universe for book number 1? Okay. 3 of Pentacles. Okay. With this 3 of Pentacles, I feel like, if you are working with a team, your work will be recognized. Yeah, you are a good team player. Okay, understand that you're a good team player, and when you work with other people, that is when you will have more success. That is also something I feel. And maybe this person, the people you are working with, they might help you with some information. So don't try to do everything by yourself. Just share your ideas, take their ideas, and then do it together. Okay, work as a team. That will be very beneficial. For some of you, it's like working, studying together, doing the study, calling your friends and studying with them will help you a lot, because you can ask them questions. You can resolve their problems and they can resolve your problems. So yeah, that is going to be very beneficial for you guys. We have 4 of Swords. Okay, and then one more card. Let's see. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So yeah, money wise, I see a lot of growth for you guys. Okay. If you're students, maybe you have a part-time job, or maybe you will work from home, and that will give you a lot of like a door will be opening up for you guys. Maybe you have a lot of wisdom and guidance to share with the world. Share it, because that thing will give you a lot of money. Yeah, with this 4 of Swords, like you're going to work from home, you're going to work, do something by yourself, and that will give you a lot of money. Like while you're sleeping, you are going to receive a lot of money. So the money, it's like for the past work, you have done a lot of work in your past. Like I'm getting this passive income, like while you're sleeping, you're making money, that kind of thing. So universe is like, if you have worked hard a lot in the past, so maybe for some of you, it's like you have done a work in your past, and that work will give you a lot of money now. Maybe you had done a collaboration with someone in the past. Maybe you didn't receive that money at that time, but you will receive it now. Okay, so something about that. Okay, yeah, this is the message I'm receiving. Let's clarify anyways the 4 of Swords. Let's clarify the 4 of Swords. Relax, everything will be okay. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. It's all about, new information. A lot of new information are coming. So maybe for some of you, I definitely feel like you have done some work in your past, and you will be receiving the rewards now. So maybe a team, you have done a work with other people, you didn't receive money, but finally you will receive money. Okay, and for others you are getting a lot of sponsorship offers. You will be getting you will be collaborating with other people, like you will be working at home, or maybe, yeah, collaboration, working from home. You will be learning at the same time, you will be working, and you will be getting money. Yeah, like door to abundance is opening up for you guys. So that's what I feel for you guys. That's the message. You don't have to worry about your finances, and relax. While you sleep you will make money, or maybe someone will offer you money, and because of it, if you have if you're financially, you're struggling right now, it will be over, it will be okay, don't worry. So let's see what else. Yeah. Oh, high honor. Yeah, with this Three of Pentacles, your work is going to be appreciated. I definitely feel, you have done some work in your past that was not appreciated. Your ideas were not recognized, but finally people are recognizing your efforts. It's like, you have if you have, for example, you have a YouTube channel, and you have posted a lot of videos. You were not recognized for your videos, but finally your past videos is blowing up. A lot of people are seeing that video. They are messaging you, wow, that's so good, you're getting the honor, you're getting rewarded for your past efforts. And so while resting you're making money. So that is something I feel like. And you're getting a lot of ideas. Look, unexpected sudden wealth. Yeah, so that is, we have Ace of Pentacles and sudden wealth. So yeah, that is what is happening for you guys. Look, unexpected income. So you're getting you're receiving money from unexpected sources. It's a sudden increase of your wealth for the work you have done in the past. So you were questioning, oh my god, I have been doing, if you're in the stage where you're questioning, oh my god, I have been working so much, I have been working so hard, why I'm not recognized? Like, for example, you're an artist, you have been painting a lot, you have done a lot of work with other people, but your work is not recognized, you are not getting the recognition. But finally the recognition is coming. Finally your maybe for some of your painters, you have lot of paintings that are not sold, but finally everything will be people will be coming, and yeah, I want this painting, and they're buying your painting. So that kind of success, it's going to be a sudden success for you guys. And like, yeah, while sleeping you're going to make money. Like, you have this ST shop, and you have like, yeah, you have a ST shop or something like that, and you sell digital paintings, but no one was buying it, but finally there a lot of people are coming and buying your painting. So that is what I feel like. That is what spirit wants you to know, that like, yes, your hard work is going to pay off. The work you have been doing, the work that was yeah, the work that was not, maybe for some of you everything happens at the correct time. For you guys, your time is coming. That is something I feel like. Look, we have the number 777. Maybe you are seeing, maybe your universe will connect, show you the signs like 777. They might show you books, they might show you angel wings. Okay, yeah, the door to abundance is opening up for you guys. For some of you, it's like a sudden success, I would say. Like, your video is going viral, and because of it you're getting the success. Your paintings, your work, you have been working with other people, finally your ideas are being recognized. Because of it you're getting a promotion, you're getting a raise, you're getting honor. Okay, so yeah, for some of you it's like your creative ideas, you will receive a lot of creative ideas when you read a book or something like that, or meditation, through meditation. Let's see what else. Yeah, discernment. Okay, so I with this discernment card, whenever you take action, think before you talk. I don't know why I'm getting like, think before you speak. Be clear with your intentions. Be clear with your intentions with universe also. Okay, yeah. And I told you something about background check, isn't it? Did I tell you? If so, it's like you need to do some background check. If you are signing certain documents, or if you are collaborating with people, just do a background check, and then only take action. That is something I feel like. This is a message from the universe. Don't make decisions very quickly. Okay, take your time, relax, and then make decisions. Okay, yeah. One more card, spirit. Look at the cards coming out, blossoming. You're going to, yeah. For some of you, your music career is blossoming up. Maybe you have been singing songs, maybe you have a lot of singing videos, but no one was watching it. Finally, they're watching it. Finally, your video is going to go viral. People are coming, oh my god, I want to work with you, I want to work with you, and you're making money like that. You like sudden success. It's not sudden, but it will be very unexpected. It will come at very unexpected time. Okay. So that is what I feel like. You're going to blossom. You look at the flowers, a lot of happiness, a lot of fulfillment. This is something very different message. Look at the number 3 3. We have 3 here also. It's like you're working with your ascended masters, you're working with your angels, your spirit guides are there with you, they are guiding you. So trust them before you take any decisions. But definitely a door to abundance is opening up. Money is coming your way, high honor is coming your way. For some of you, if you have been preparing for an exam, you will be you will get good results, you will get recognized for your work. People will be appreciating, oh my god, you passed this exam, and your parents will be very proud of you. So yeah, this is the message I'm receiving for you from the universe. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this poised card and this black feather, let's see what is your message. With this black feather, what I feel like is a lot of protection is there. You're very protected, so you don't have to worry too much about anything. So maybe for some of you, worrying about your finances, about your work, maybe your health is not so good, maybe you don't have the motivation to keep on doing the things you always like to do. Maybe your energy levels are not so good, so maybe you don't have the energy to do the things, right? So for some of you, I feel like you're stressing a lot. Look, we have eight of swords energy here, so a lot of stressful energy. You're always thinking too much, stressing too much. So your universe is telling you that there's no need to stress too much. You don't have to worry about things too much. Everything will be all right. You're going to get into this energy of joyfulness, optimism. Okay, that is, you're going to gain back your confidence. Maybe for some of you, you have lost it. Maybe you're not feeling that. I feel like you don't have the energy. Like you're dancers, you like to dance, you make videos of dancing, and now you are like, you don't have the energy to dance, so you're very worried about it. So don't worry, because you will be back. So take that break, needed break. Maybe your health is not so good, maybe you have a cold, or maybe you have a headaches, or maybe when you wake up, you don't have the energy, you don't have motivation to keep on doing the things you want to do. I feel like there is a lot of spiritual development also happening for you guys, but you will be back. Okay, universe is like telling you, you're protected, you're the star, your wishes are coming true. So just hang on for some days, everything will be fine. Okay, so that is what I strongly feel for this pile. So let's see what else. Yeah, and yeah, look, we have 10 of swords energy. So yeah, maybe for some of you have back pain or something like that, because of it you're not able to dance, or maybe you have body pains or body aches, or maybe you have a fever, maybe you have a cold, or your energies are very down, so you're not feeling that optimism. But this is going to end. Okay, this too shall pass. Okay, this is just a period where you're feeling maybe for some of you, you're not able to sleep properly, maybe you're not getting enough sleep, maybe you're thinking too much, maybe I don't know why I'm getting to this 10 of swords. Is like you don't have that energy to keep on moving forward. And with this poised card, I'm feeling like that you will have the energy, you will be okay. This is ending, this thing, this period is ending. So sometimes just relax, do meditation, that will help you. Okay, maybe you feel like sleeping all day, maybe you feel like not doing anything, right? Sometimes we need to take that break, and it's okay. Nothing is going to go away from you. You don't have to stress too much. Maybe you are not feeling good, but at the same time you are trying to do the things you always like. Maybe for some of your dancers, or maybe you make YouTube videos, so you don't have the motivation to make YouTube videos now, and this is just an example. Okay, like you don't have the motivation to do the things that you always wanted to do. You're feeling very low, you don't have the energy to get up, so take that time off. Don't worry too much about your finances, about the work. Okay, maybe you're workaholics, and so it's okay to take a break. Okay, so that is the message I'm feeling for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you work from home right now and you are not feeling well, you're not feeling to do that work. Maybe you need to take a break. Okay, take a break. If you feel like you need to take a break, relax, it's okay to take a break. Maybe for some of you, if you feel like you need to consult a doctor for your back pain or for body pains and all, it's okay, do that also, okay. But this is ending. I feel like this is ending because with this 10 number, and we have the poised card here, and poised is also 8 plus 4, so 3 number, yeah, like growth, optimism, joy, yeah, that's what I feel like. Joyful times are coming. You will be celebrating. It's okay. This, I'm getting like this too shall pass, so it's okay. You will be back, guys. You'll be back. Yeah, a lot of stressful energy, look. And then we have 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, we have the Tower moment. So maybe for some of you are here, your health is not so good. You're feeling, why I'm getting this health, you're not feeling that confident again. You're not feeling like getting out of the bed. You're stressing too much. Even though, it's like you want to do certain work, you want to get to back to work, but at the same time, you're not feeling motivated. You're not feeling it. So you're not able to do. Even if you try to do, you're not able to give you 100%. Okay, so I feel like this thing, the end of this stressful times, the health wise also, if you're having health issues, if you are feeling very if your energies are not good, if you're feeling very very exhausted, if you're not feeling well, it's going to end. I feel like that. With this 9 of Pentacles, you will be back. You will be taking care of yourself. So if you're working from home, you will be able to do that. You'll be able to balance your work and career very well. So yeah, things are looking good, but at the same time, you need to take care of your body, eat healthy. If it's possible, if you can consult a doctor, go to a spa, enjoy some time. If you have friends, call them, talk to them, just do some joyful events that you like. Okay, so yeah, definitely this is ending. There's a lot of stress, there is a lot of you're thinking too much, because oh my god, what if my health is not going to improve, whether I'll be able to do my work or not. You're stressing too much. So don't stress, meditate, ground your energy, spend some quality time with your friends, watch a movie. Everything will be fine, because with this 9 of Pentacles, you're like, yeah, everything is going to be okay. So yeah, that's what I feel for you guys. So let's see what else. Interestingly, we have 8, 9 and 10. So yeah, you're going to be okay. Things are going to be okay. That's what I feel like. That's the message for you. That's what I feel. Yeah, despair. Yeah, oh my god, look, that's changing. That despair energy is changing. Look, we have unexpected money also. For some of you, you're very stressful about your money. Oh my god, I've been putting the work, and maybe for some of you, you're not seeing the result. Maybe you're trying your 100%, you're not seeing the result. You will. Okay, you will see the result. Things are going to look good for you guys, and that's the message from the universe for you guys. Okay, and don't be in this despair energy, because that is going to end for you guys very soon. Yeah. For some of you, definitely it's like you need to take rest. You need to take a vacation if it's possible, relaxing period where you can spend some quality time with your friends or family, or maybe you can just take a few days off from work and enjoy, like take care of your body, eat healthy. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so just this is going to pass. This thing is going to pass very soon. That's your message. That's what I'm feeling strongly here for you guys. Okay, look, we have high honor. So maybe for some of you, oh my god, if I don't work for one day, what if things will go backward? No, nothing is going to go backward. Okay, you can take 2 days break, you can take 1 week break. It's okay, you will be back. Don't worry too much. Don't worry. That is what I feel for group number 2. That is your message for today from the universe. Yeah, nourishment. Look, it's the time to nourish your soul. It's the time to eat healthy. It's time to take care of yourself. It's the time to do some exercise. If you want to consult a nutritionist, go and do that. Eat healthy, take care of your body, take care of your health. Don't stress too much. Meditate, ground your energy. If you can walk in nature, go walk in nature. Yeah, it's all about taking care of yourself, getting out of your head, getting out of that despair energy, relaxing, taking your, if you have medicines, taking medicines on time, exercising, taking care of your mental health, physical health, meditating, doing yoga if it's possible, eating good food, including more fruits in your diet. That is what I feel. This is what is your message, guys. Yeah, to have a balance, to have a balanced diet, to have a work life balance. Like for some of you have been overworking yourself, so it's a time to take a break, to have a balance, spend some quality time with your family and friends. That is what I feel for group number 2. If you have been using law of attraction, if you have been manifesting things, it will come to you. You don't have to worry too much about it. So guys, don't worry. That's the message for you guys today. Don't worry, get out of your head, meditate, ground your energy. It's okay to take a break. You need to take a break, and it's fine. Okay, that's what I feel like. So yeah, you are co-creating with you can co-create with the universe. It's okay. Look, with this owl, what I feel like spirit is giving you a lot of signs, a lot of messages they are telling you, and this is a sign for you guys. Like spirit is telling, don't worry too much. Everything is there for you. Nothing is going to be taken away from you. Everything is happening at the correct time. It's okay to take few days off. It's okay to relax. It's okay to not feel productive. It's okay. So that is what I feel like. And you can co-create with universe. You don't have to overwork yourself. You can do smart work. Okay, but now the main message for you guys is you are going to get back that joy, optimism. Everything will be back. Your health will be back. But at the same time, you need to take few days break. Just take few days break and take your health more seriously. And you are going to get out of this despair energy. Definitely, that is what I feel. Okay, that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you chose this orange color feather, let's see what is the message from the universe. A lot of messages. Okay, for some of you, you're going to see the true colors of someone. Okay, maybe you're going to maybe someone's mask will be removed. You will be able to understand their true nature. Okay, maybe for some of you it's like your partner will open up. Maybe they were wearing a mask, but finally your partner will open up to you. You will know their true sides, maybe in a good way. Like you will understand who they are really, what kind of person they are. Maybe they were wearing a mask. Now they're opening up to you. Okay, so that's a good thing. I feel like maybe they are opening up. They're showing their vulnerable sides. Maybe they will cry in front of you. Something like that. They're opening up. And for some others, I even feel like that you're going to open up to someone. You're going to share your secrets with someone, and you will have a beautiful communication. Maybe it can be a friend, or it can be a partner of yours who you'll be sharing the truth. And for others, I feel like you're going to get clarity about someone or something. You can expect clarity from spirit very soon. Okay, and for some of you, even if someone is gossiping about you, you will know about them. Okay, you will know about the bad intentions of other people if they have something like that. The truth is going to be revealed. Truth will be out soon. And for others, I even feel like that for some of you, your truth will be out, or maybe it's time to speak your truth. Okay, and with this owl, a lot of messages from spirit. For some of you, it's like you're going to receive a lot of messages from spirit. So trust it, trust your intuition. Okay, but definitely you're becoming more authentic to yourself. Or maybe it's a message that you need to know right now is to be more authentic to yourself, to be more honest with yourself, take care of yourself. Okay, and focus on your sacral chakra. Okay, for next 2 weeks. I don't know why I'm getting that, but for next 2 weeks you need to focus on your sacral chakra. Maybe because some of you are out of you're not feeling very creative. Maybe you're into you are artist or someone, musicians, artist, or you write. So whatever you do, maybe you're feeling that you're not getting that creative ideas. So focus on your sacral chakra, everything will be fine. Okay, you will receive a lot of everything will be fine. I told. And look, we have the Wheel of Fortune. So yeah, definitely things are going to be in your favor. So yeah, the wheel is turning in your favor. That is what I feel like. So for some of you, it's like the truth is going to be revealed, and because of it, things will be in your side. Luck is luck is on your side. Okay, that is something I feel. I'm books, something about books. Maybe for some of you, some documents, you will see some documents, yeah, something about documents. Yeah, I don't know, but it's a specific message, something about documents. Maybe you need to check your documents. Yeah, or maybe you need to read before you sign anything. Okay, so that's very important. But yeah, luck is in your side. The universe wants you to know that. Your angels are there for you. Things are going to change a lot with this Wheel of Fortune, beginning of a new cycle, because for some of you, you will your relationship will become more stronger, because this person will open up, and because of it, things will become more stronger. Finally, they will show their vulnerable side to you, or maybe you will be showing your vulnerable side to them, and because of it, you will have a very deep communication, heart-to-heart conversations, and because of it, your relationship is getting better. Okay, for others, if you're not into this relationship, maybe for some of you it's friendship that is going to get better. For others, it's like if people have gossiped about you or have stabbed you, okay, backstabbed you, that is going to end, and you're going to move to a new cycle where things are going to be in your favor. Okay, that is something I feel like. Things are going to be in your favor. Spirit is saying that. Okay, for some of you, yeah, we have 10 of Cups here. Yeah, we have this look number 10. 5 is all about changes. You have gone through a lot of emotionally you have gone through a lot. Now maybe you have gone through a lot of challenges. Now it's time for positive changes. The wheel is turning in your favor. For some of you, finally you're going to get married. Maybe this person will propose to you, and I told you your partnerships is you're becoming stronger. So yeah, you will be very satisfied emotionally. You will feel like, oh my god, luck is on my side, everything is working for me. That kind of energy I'm feeling. For some of you, you might conceive, or maybe you will plan to have another child. That is also something I feel like. If you if you're planning, that is going to happen for you guys. Things are turning in your favor for sure. That is what Spirit wants you to know right now. Universe wants you to know right now. If you're feeling like you have lost that creative spark, it's coming back. Okay, focus on your sacral chakra. I told you earlier, right? So yeah, and be honest with yourself. For some of you, it's important to do mirror work, like getting up in the morning, talking to yourself, saying good things about yourself, focusing on the good, right? That is also something I feel you need to do. But definitely family wise, I'm getting very good vibes for you guys. Maybe for some of you, will be planning to travel or planning to have a vacation. Okay, that is also something I feel like. You might be planning as a family, or maybe if you're not married, if you're single, you will be planning that with your parents or with your siblings. Okay, maybe you're going to open up with your parents or your siblings. That is also something I feel like. But there is a lot of satisfaction, emotionally feeling very satisfied, feeling very happy. Oh, finally the truth is out, so you're feeling very free. Maybe for some of you are speaking your own truth, and because of it you will feel very free, very light, and your family will support you in this. Okay, you're speaking your truth to your family, and finally you felt that your family might not support you, but your family supports you, so you're feeling very light, very happy. Things are moving in your favor. Okay, that is what I feel for group number 3. One more. Okay, yeah, what we have? Chariot. Okay, we have 3 cards coming out. Yeah, you're moving away from your past. I feel like, I don't know why we have 6 and 7, then we have king of cups. For some of you, you're opening up to a person who is very, very emotionally balanced. Maybe, I told you your partnerships are going to be very strong. So this person can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces, or a Cancer sign is also, that is what I'm strongly getting. Maybe you are Cancer, or this person might be a Cancer sign or any water sign. But definitely what I feel like is, I told you, you're opening up to this person is opening up to you, you are having a very balanced relationship. That is the blessing I feel what is happening for you guys. If you had problems in your relationship, the truth is coming out. You're speaking your truth, they are honest with you, you are honest with them, and so you are moving away from all the past misunderstandings. You're moving towards a brighter future with this 10 of 10 of cups and Wheel of Fortune. That is what I strongly feel. For some of you, I told you vacation also is possible. You might travel to your child, to a place where you grew up. Maybe you might return to a place where you grew up, and be happy there for some time. Maybe for some of you, there is a reunion happening with your parents. Maybe you live far away from your family, so you will reunite with them. That is also something I feel like. So yeah, there is a lot of revelation that is happening, but this revelation will make things very balanced. It will bring people together. Okay, that is something I feel like. You have worked on your shadow self. I feel like that with this black and white. You have worked on your shadow self. You have done a lot of inner work, and you are being true to yourself, and that's why you are speaking your truth. And I feel like that people are going to accept you for who you are. There is a lot of acceptance, there is a lot of balance happening for you guys. You are getting out of your past energy, but you're becoming more nostalgic, and I'm feeling that also, like you're visiting a place that you used to live, and you will be you will be thinking about all the good things. That is also something happening. Or maybe you will something about your past is going to reveal. Maybe your parents are saying some truth, and after that you will get the support from them, and you will support them. It's like support, people supporting each other. Things are balancing, emotions are balanced. Your emotions are getting balanced. Your misunderstandings are going to be resolved, like coming together as a big happy family, because everyone is removing their mask and they're showing their true self. Okay, so you are also removing your mask, you're being honest with the people, they are honest with you. So yeah, things are going to get balanced for you guys. Okay, so yeah, you're thinking about your past, you're thinking about your childhood, and for some of you it's like you're getting out of that past conditioning. That is also something I feel like, moving towards a better future. That is what I feel for group number 2. Okay, that is the message I'm receiving right now for you guys. Let's see. You're very creative people also, because we have a lot of cups, your emotions. Yeah, we have 10 of cups, we have 6 of cups, we have king of cups. For some of you, definitely you are going to get pregnant. I don't know why I feel like getting pregnant, starting a family. Maybe you always dreamed of, your dream was that, and finally it's happening. And for some of you, you're meeting your old friends, connecting with them, as you are talking about your past and why you lost touch with them, and then reconnecting with them. So that is also something I feel for you guys. Okay, but definitely there is a lot of emotional satisfaction. You're moving forward, you're moving to a better future. Okay, and I feel all the confusions are being removed, the fogginess has been removed. You are very clear. Okay, you're very clear where you're going. Okay, so yeah, look, a new pathway is opening up. So yeah, new with this Chariot energy. For some of you, moving to a new place, Wheel of Fortune and 10 of Cups, maybe moving with your family to a new place, or maybe leaving your family, moving to a different country or a different home, a new job for some of you, but definitely moving to a better future, moving to a good place. In relationship also, moving to a better stage of your life, like a relation, if your relationship was not working that much, maybe for some of you it's going to work more nicely. This person is opening up, so moving towards the, the sunlight, right? And look at the butterflies, lot of transformation. Finally you're getting out of your box, you're speaking your truth, they are speaking their truth. Lot of harmony, lot of balance, lot of good days. That is what I feel for you guys. A lot of transformation. They are transforming, you're transforming, you're becoming more mature, they're becoming more mature. Mature relationships, no dramas, right? You're getting out of all the dramas. Yeah, very balanced things are coming your way. Balanced job, for some of you it's all you want is a balanced job. Finally you're getting a balanced job. For some of you, you want a good home life, you're getting that. So there is a lot of balance, there is a lot of movement. Finally feeling very free, very light, and you're like, oh, this is a, for many of you it's a new road that you haven't traveled quite yet, but you are very excited, you're very hopeful for that. And be hopeful, guys, because this road will give you a lot of success. Okay, new pathway, new destination, like moving to a new home, new country. For some of you, traveling abroad, new country, going with your family. Maybe you were in a long distance relationship, finally moving in with them. So something like that. That is what I feel for you guys. Okay, so let's see what else for group number 3. What is the message from the universe? Oh yeah, self-reflection. I told you have done a lot of shadow work. You have, people are opening up, you are opening up. It's like being true to yourself, being honest to yourself. That is going to be very important for you guys. Be honest with yourself, be honest with them, and when you're honest with others, people will be honest with you. That is also something I feel. Yeah, you're realizing your own patterns, your own behavior that you need to change. That is what you're changing. I feel like you're doing the inner work, you're doing the shadow work, and because of it you're healing your past, you're moving forward. Reunion with your family, they are sharing their truth, you are sharing your truth. Right? So lot is coming, maybe for some of you lot about your childhood is coming out. Okay, and you're healing it. For some of your father, you're healing your father. Your father might, you had some issues with your father figure, maybe you're healing that. That is also something I feel. Yeah, you're moving away from this dark period. Yeah, that's what I feel like with this wheel of fortune. You're moving towards the dark period. Look at the path, when new dark period, a new road has opened up for you guys. You're traveling this new road, right? You're understanding yourself more, you're taking care of yourself more, you are having honest communication with other. You're not keeping it to yourself, you're expressing yourself, you're sharing everything, you're becoming more vulnerable, you're taking care of yourself. Look, self-love, that is what you need to do more. You need to take care of yourself, you need to love yourself, you need to fill your cup first and then give it to others. That is what I feel like you're doing. You're speaking your truth. That is all the message I'm receiving for you guys. I hope this helped you. Bye bye, take care.